Meghalaya's first international film festival, which has started on the 14th of March 2023, had come to a close on Saturday, the 18th of March, where the Minister in charge of Information and Public Relations, Government of Meghalaya, Ampareen Lyngdoh, graced the occasion as chief guest. The first of its kind film festival in the state, organized by the Meghalaya Film Makers Association, MeFilma, under the leadership of Commander Shangpliang, saw the attendance of Bollywood star Sanjay Mishra, actresses from Bhutan and Vietnam, besides other national and international film personalities.
Hỏi na hak sao last mutu igin tu nong le untuk ladai hino ban weng no season ni kemar nakleng jung Sanjay Mishra sultanat ni kemel nanti bagin ula ban bu iki interview ri itu ipat ba kaong ni kemel nanti ba sadilit no.
But also taking glimpses of Meghalaya to wherever you go. I'm happy that Vietnam and Bhutan are here today to take back home some wonderful visions of Meghalaya. We have lots to share with the world and we look forward to this opportunity. I must thank the ICCR director who himself is here. We need to collaborate a little more efficiently so that we take all of this talent forward to greater heights.
Opportunities and creative work, ये बहुत खूबसूरत है और अभी ये just born baby. I think after 10 years ये prestigious film festival होगा. Very nice, very nice. जिन लोगों ने इसको सपोर्ट किया है, जो लोग आगे आए हैं इसके लिए सलूट के काबिल है. It's a very good all and Meghalaya and not Bollywood, Indian film. आज हमारी फिल्म एक सॉन्ग ऑस्कर में जीती है, एक फिल्म एलिफेंट वॉल इस पर जीता है. ये हमारी इज्जत है, इंडिया की इज्जत है और अब मेघालय का भी इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा. आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड शिलोंग आके लिटरली मैं बचपन से शिलोंग आना चाहता था. यहाँ का रेडियो स्टेशन मुझे बहुत पसंद था. 8:30 पे सुबह यहाँ शुरुआत. तो क्या है शिलोंग, क्या है शिलोंग, बट बहुत प्यारा है शिलोंग.